Excuse me? Yeah.
Which way, that way?
No, that way.
Why is that?
No reason.
City of Asbury Park Police.
Hey, my name is, I'm a chiropractor on the corner of, there's a guy who set up a camera facing my office, and I asked him if he was recording my office, and he said yes, and I asked him why, and he said no reason. I just thought it was weird. You know, by HIPAA rules, I'm not supposed to expose any of my patients' information, including office visits. So he's now moving a little closer to my office on this side of the street. So I don't know if there's anything you can do, but...
Excuse me 1 second. All right, no problem. I'll send an officer by, okay?
Okay, great. Thank you.
All right, take care.
Does a police officer have the authority to arrest you for recording what is plainly visible through their car window? On July 9, 2025, in Asbury Park, New Jersey, Craig Doty was conducting a First Amendment audit that had already been deemed lawful by a police supervisor.
My call, I guess I was curious as to why you were recording.
441 under the influence.
Oh.
Copy 953.
You were curious? Yeah, I was asking why you was recording. You record me. That's okay, I'm recording you also, though. Yeah. So you got any credentials to be recording or whatever?
Credentials?
Yeah.
What kind of credentials?
Any type that you want to provide.
215.
No, I have nothing.
Okay. What are you recording, sir, if you don't mind me asking?
Anything I can see.
Huh?
Anything I can see.
Are you at headquarters?
Okay. All right. Any particular reason?
Council, doing payroll.
Any particular reason?
Can you do me a favor and help me out real quick with a vehicle release?
Okay.
Backed up with other
I just called my
reports in the lobby
supervisor, let him
and
know.
41.
Yeah.
No problem.
Is there a problem with recording? Sir?
They don't want you to record in front of their business.
Yeah, that's not really their choice. So.
Okay.
Where, everybody? Craig Doty, 287. How you doing?
Huh?
Let's drop my evidence off.
Oh, okay. I don't know. He's recording.
Life unit.
You know, they don't want him recording in front of the business. No credentials to the recording.
Okay. Public space.
So, huh?
Public space.
Go ahead.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, need to record.
However, the situation reached a violent breaking point the moment Doty's camera captured the interior of a patrol unit. This encounter raises a critical constitutional question. Is a citizen responsible for protecting police data, or is the burden of privacy on the officers themselves?
Huh? Yeah, I'm good. I'm just happy. All right, let's wait.
I was literally just coming down this way from my shop. Nice to meet you.
You too, sir. Have a good day. Thank you for honoring your oath. Yeah. You called out 2 more guys with cameras to record, huh?
Absolutely.
Called out 2 more guys with cameras. That's
No,
all.
actually, he came over here to back me up. That's what we do.
Yeah.
Back each other up.
Right, I'm just saying, he didn't like the camera, but he called out 2 more men with cameras on, you know? That's all.
He didn't call him out. He called the police. So we back each other up. That's
Yeah,
what we do.
yeah, he called you out, that's all.
Yeah,
So he called one guy out with
Yeah,
a camera.
called-
All right, I misspoke.
Huh?
I misspoke.
Okay, no
He
problem.
called out one guy with a camera.
No problem.
All right, you're dismissed.
Huh?
You're dismissed.
Oh, no. I'm calling my supervisor over just to let him know.
Oh, I thought that was him.
No. That's not my supervisor. But you can't dismiss me anyway. So
Well, yeah, as far as I'm concerned, you're dismissed.
yeah. No, that's fine.
Why would you ask me for credentials to film? Is that even a thing?
There is.
No, there is
You
not.
So you ever
There is
seen,
not a
so,
thing.
No. Before you try to out-talk me. So you ever seen somebody that does, you can
Yeah,
play that.
I want to hear this.
So, like the news, like Channel 12.
Right. They have no credentials.
They do have credentials. You see, they have cards that say, with Channel 12, we do this. So they do that.
That's
They
not
do.
that's not a government credential. It's not anything. It's just a from their company.
Yeah, that's fine.
So I could have I could print out a
They're-
press
they're
pass.
They're journalists.
I'm a journalist as well. I could print out a press pass and stick it on
You
and.
can. Absolutely.
Let's examine how a resolved interaction was transformed into a punitive arrest based on a fundamental misunderstanding of the law. The encounter began when a business owner, erroneously citing HIPAA regulations, attempted to utilize the police as a private security force to stop Doty from recording from a public sidewalk.
Muting to talk to Officer Whitley.
No, he just arrived. Okay, I'll speak with him.
Come on, yeah, come on.
9:15.
So he's just recording. The owner of this business did not want him recording in front of the his business.
He's on a public street. I mean, he's on a sidewalk,
No, I
so
just wanted to let you know. That's all.
we're good.
Yeah. Okay.
Just do me one favor. Please just don't block the door, though. That's all.
I haven't blocked the door until just this moment.
That's fine. No, that's fine. That's all. You could keep recording and everything. That's fine. That's it. Yeah, no, he's allowed to record in public. No, no problem.
Yeah. So I just spoke with him because he's allowed to record. It's a public place or whatever. But I just told him to move from in front of your door.
I appreciate
Yeah,
this. He was. I have the video. He started on that corner, and I was like, "Are you pointing the camera over here? I was watering my flowers." And he was like, "Yeah." And I go, "Why?"
If somebody just wants to antagonize somebody so that he can, so that he can try to make some type of trouble.
I think he was out here having a fight with his son yesterday, or at least some younger person.
Yeah.
I just happened to be observing because they were sitting. That's his car, that Subaru there. And there was an altercation with those two. There was physical, so I don't know if it stemmed from that. I don't know why he would be harassing me. I stay above board.
There's just people that's bored and just do stuff like that.
When Officer Whitley arrived, he immediately signaled a lack of constitutional proficiency by demanding credentials. Technically, this request serves as a psychological tool to invert the power dynamic, implying that a citizen requires government permission to exercise a basic right. Notice how Whitley prioritizes the business owner's personal discomfort over established law. While Sergeant Champouillon initially provided the correct legal guidance, confirming Doty's right to record, this professional composure was short-lived.
This open area so that I don't have any funny business going on here. You know, that's how I want to be ahead of anything that's, you know, I pay my dues. So
you could probably try to put it on YouTube. Oh, the police are harassing me, type of stuff like that. So
so he is right in my office. So I mean, I don't, you know, that there's a HIPAA laws that say, you know, we have to keep the privacy of my patients, and I don't know if that's the privacy aspect that people are looking for.
Please do not record inside my vehicle. That you cannot do. Please do not record inside my vehicle. That you cannot do. That you cannot do. You cannot do.
Don't touch me. Do not touch me.
I'm asking you.
Do not touch me. Get back.
Wait, 5.
Step back.
Record inside my vehicle.
Step back.
I'm not going to let you record inside my vehicle. You cannot do that.
I can, and I will. I am not under arrest.
I'm resisting it.
You're getting sued, motherfucker. Off me.
Give me another unit for resisting.
Thanks, huh? Good, Asbury Park.
Yep, this is what you wanted anyway.
Nice.
This is exactly what you wanted.
Nice. You better get me an ambulance, you bitch.
I copy.
Turn around.
Piece of
Turn around, sir.
off me.
Turn around, please, sir.
Put your hand behind your back.
I have done nothing wrong.
Put your hand behind your back. You're resisting arrest. Stop resisting arrest.
I did not do
You
anything
started recording
illegal.
inside my vehicle, which
I
you know
did
we have
not
a
do
computer. You
anything
cannot do that.
illegal.
Ask them to stop
I
recording.
did not do anything illegal.
The critical turning point occurred when Doty aimed his camera at the interior of Whitley's patrol unit. This shift in the recording's target triggered an immediate defensive response from the officer. Instead of employing tactical de-escalation or simply shielding his data terminal, Whitley abandoned his earlier legal recognition in favor of ego-driven confrontation. By issuing a direct order to stop a protected activity, Whitley set the stage for a punitive arrest, transforming a resolved, low-stakes call into a high-liability physical struggle.
I am not.
We're 10-4. We're 10-4. Why do you gotta push the boundaries?
I did nothing illegal. Not one thing illegal did I do. I am not under arrest for anything legal. You have no legal right to fucking arrest me. And he used way too much force. Way more force than was necessary.
Okay.
You see the fucking blood running down my face, you fucking piece of shit.
Thank you.
You're a fucking piece of shit. Get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away from me. I don't want him near me.
Stand up. Come on. Come on. You talked to me earlier, no problem. Walk with me. I got you. Come on.
No,
Walk with me.
listen,
Walk to the left.
my son is over there.
Walk with me. Just walk with me. I'll go with you.
You gotta get me a fucking medic here right away. No, I am not.
When you gotta cut in,
You guys are getting super big time.
I know, it's what you wanted.
No, it's not what I
You
want.
want to get a reaction?
It's not what I want.
And now you got a
No,
reaction.
it's not what I want.
It's hard to try to be so annoying and try to get everyone higher. And then you went into his car?
He started recording. He starts recording inside my car. You know, you cannot. No. They cannot see the MDT that's in our car.
You can't go reaching into your car. Right?
No, he didn't know. He put the camera, starts recording what's inside my car. You know, this is confidential stuff that's in here.
Watch your head. Thanks, sir. And this is the ambulance at headquarters. Let me get your shoes for you, all right?
To understand why this arrest is legally fragile, we must look at the plain view doctrine established in Katz versus United States. The law is clear. Information knowingly exposed to the public from a lawful vantage point does not receive Fourth Amendment protection. By leaving his computer screen visible through a window on a public street, Officer Whitley effectively waived any claim to privacy. Furthermore, New Jersey Attorney General Directive 2021-11 explicitly prohibits officers from demanding credentials or stopping recording in public.
Sir, you can't film inside of this office.
Oh, sure I can.
No, you can't.
Yeah, absolutely.
No, you can't. There's a directive, and you can be arrested for that.
Where is that?
You cannot film inside the office.
No phones or electronic devices in this area. I'm not in the area, though.
Okay, I've asked you and informed you that you cannot.
I'm reading it. All phones and other electronic devices must be on silent mode at this customer service area. Within this immediate area to photograph or record or live stream office space or court space operations.
So
Within this immediate area, what does that mean?
that means this office, you cannot film inside of the office.
All right, all right. I won't film in the office.
That's fine. Thank you.
I don't think that's legal, but
Okay, you can contact the presiding judge. and-
yeah, we'll take it up with the judge.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Thanks for your time.
Do you need help from the court?
Not at the moment.
Okay. Do you need the police or first aid?
No, they're the ones who fucked me up.
However, the legal landscape shifts regarding the arrest process itself. Under NJSA 2C-29-2, New Jersey law largely requires citizens to submit even to an unlawful arrest, then litigate the validity in court later. Does this create a dangerous double standard where an officer can initiate a baseless arrest and then charge the victim for their natural reaction? Technically, while the recording was protected under the precedent of Fields versus City of Philadelphia, Doty's verbal and physical resistance gave the state a narrow opening to pursue a resisting charge, regardless of the initial constitutional violation. The systemic failure here is the prioritization of an officer's ego over his sworn oath. When Lieutenant Townsend later dismissed Doty's bloodstains as coffee stains at the station, it revealed a troubling culture of gaslighting and professional insulation. Consider the civilian test. If a private citizen physically tackled a stranger for simply looking into their parked car on a public street, they would immediately face assault and battery charges. Why, then, is the standard for Officer Whitley seemingly non-existent? For the public, this encounter serves as a stark reminder. While you have the right to record, you cannot talk your way out of an arrest, but you can certainly talk your way into a conviction. By failing to remain silent and attempting to physically argue his lawfulness during the struggle, Doty gave the state the very evidence they needed to overshadow the officer's initial misconduct.
We're doing a...
Cannot film.
I understand that.
Please leave.
Jesus
Please leave.
Christ.
Please leave. Come on.
Get your
Cat
hands off.
Looking for you.
Get your fucking
Cat
hands
looking
off
for you.
me.
Would you like to go to the
fucking-
hospital because you're
You
still injured?
fucking cops
Come
are
on,
ridiculous.
Come on.
No,
Come on, sir.
The young
You're
lady
bleeding and
spoke
you got
to me.
coffee stains
The
all
young
over your
lady
shirt, sir.
spoke
You
to
might need
me.
to clean yourself up.
The young lady spoke
First
to me
thing-
and
she did not.
informed me.
She called me
She
and said, "You're
and she
recording, sir."
informed me that I'm not allowed.
Okay, so now
and
that
we
you
just had the
recorded the interior,
discussion.
you got enough
We
recording?
just had the
Would you like to
discussion.
get the rest of the building?
I can record whatever the f I
Come on,
want.
let's go, but don't get loud. Otherwise, everybody here is going to feel alarmed.
Shame. Shame that they feel alarmed. Isn't that a pity? Isn't that a pity?
Come on, let's go clean your shirt.
No, why
Plus
don't
two,
you
it
just-
smells like you need a shower.
Yeah, because you're scummy
I don't,
cops.
sir,
were
why
all
were
over
you
me.
so angry? Who were you fighting with in front of the store yesterday?
I wasn't fighting
They
with
were.
anybody.
You know, there's somebody looking in your car,
I wasn't fighting with...
waiting for you at your car.
Yeah, it's my son.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the store owner and witnesses said that you and somebody were fighting each other in front of the store yesterday in the car. Who were you fighting?
I wasn't-
Is that where you got the injuries from?
No, I got the injuries from your officer.
Okay. Do you want to make a report of what happened yesterday
Clearly.
with you and that individual?
No,
in the
there was
car?
no fight.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Okay. Why don't we call it a day? Okay. You're obviously irritated. all right?
Obviously.
You're obviously irritated.
Officer Whitley and the Asbury Park Police Department receive an F. Whitley displayed a blatant disregard for both his supervisor's instructions and the New Jersey Attorney General's directives. His decision to escalate a constitutionally protected activity into a violent arrest represents a complete abandonment of professional policing in favor of personal retaliation. Craig Doty receives a B. While his legal standing was firm under the First and Fourth Amendments, his tactical execution was flawed. By engaging in a camera battle with a civilian and failing to invoke his right to silence during the arrest, he undermined his own legal position. Lawful oversight is essential, but strategic silence is the only way to ensure that an officer's ego doesn't become your criminal record.
Irritated and you're angry with the world. Okay. So why don't we go clean ourselves up?
Why don't you just leave me alone?
Okay.
Okay?
Come on.
Just leave me alone. Okay? Don't bother me, and I will be quiet.
But you cannot
I won't.
record.
All right. I won't
You cannot
record in
record
there.
for it.
I understand
Okay.
that. I understand that.
All right.
Okay?
You need to get a life.
You need to shut the up and get a light.
This case remains a focal point for police accountability in New Jersey. As of this recording, the criminal charges against Craig Doty are still pending. This leads us to a difficult question. If the underlying reason for an arrest is unconstitutional, should the subsequent charge of resisting even be valid? Or does the law in New Jersey effectively grant officers a blank check to use force, provided they can provoke a reaction? Share your perspective in the comments below. Is Officer Whitley's conduct an isolated failure or a symptom of a larger training issue? If you found this analysis valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to support independent legal oversight. For a deeper look at how these cases are argued in front of a judge, visit our sister channel, Audit the Court. Thank you for watching.